Let me show the testing of 1000 watts shortwave amplifier with the touch screen and MRF1K50 LD mass transistor inside. The drain voltage is supplied by flat pack 2, 53 volts. This is the 50 ohms dummy, 25 ohms dummy. Power meter is a Barrett 43 with element for 2500 watts on shortwave bands. The driver is the ISO transceiver, and amplifier band switching is being controlled by automatic band decoder. They're behind the screen. Okay, internal power meter is calibrated on 20 meters according to Barrett's. Let me show. Slightly above 1000 watts, and same as here, but it is better to drive the amplifier with the 80 watts. Let me fix this level and I will show the output power band by band, starting from 160 meters. Next is 80, then 40, 30, 20, 17, 15 meters, 12, 10, 6. Okay, let me return to well, now I will show how CW looks like in a brief. Okay, SSB on 20 meters. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Well, let me return to 20 meters in packet motor. Now I replace the 50 ohms dummy by 25. If I start to transmit, high SWR protection is enabled. To reset it, I have to switch off the 50 volts power supply. While I'm waiting, I will reduce the driving power, say to 30 watts. I return the 50 volts and transmitting. As you see, the low power level, it's working, but if I raise the power, protection is enabled. Well, now I will return the 50 ohms dummy. Then I switch on the 50 volts to amplifier. It's working okay. If I occasionally raise the power, say to 90 watts, for example on 15 meters, high power protection is enabled. Reset the protection, go to 20 meters, switch on the 50 volts and transmit with 90 watts. High current protection is enabled. Once again, disconnect the 50 volts, return the power to normal level, 80 watts. And show that everything is okay. Well, that's all for this amplifier.